Yo, what's up guys, Teacher Paul up here, and today we are reacting to a coffee request. This is by Julie. Thank you so much for the support. Whenever you buy a coffee, it helps the channel. Guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. And let's check out what Julie has sent us today. Julie says, Ylvis loves projects and often has a background story for their music videos. Vegard is a pilot. He's a pilot? And this is about when he discovered Gabriel from Kenya on YouTube. They wanted to help Gabriel and collect money for a bigger engine for his airplane so he could fly. Ylvis sidekicks from I Kveld med Ylvis, Kalle and Magnus are also in the music video. It's touching and funny at the same time. Hope you enjoy it. So the story are explained in 3 videos. The video 1 is the plane builder Gabriel Nderito. So let's check this one out. First video.
Rikelig med anledning til å Bjørn Kjos kommer senere i programmet, og det blir rikelig med anledning til å snakke om fly. Og en ting som du, Vegard, har lyst til å trekke frem er jo, altså bare for å si det en gang for alle, Vegard ser veldig mye på fly på YouTube, altså sykelig mye. Og jeg tok en screen capture, som det heter på norsk, av desktopen din, som det heter på norsk, på YouTube-forsiden. Altså dette er det Vegard driver og ser på.
Wow, this is the old YouTube.
Anbefalt. Mye sånn short take-off and landings.
Ja, det er underholdende det.
Det er stas. Stas for deg.
Ja, nei, men altså, jeg ser veldig mye på flyvideoer på YouTube, og så kom jeg over en fyr som heter Gabriel Nderito, som er fra Kenya. Han er en slags sånn gründer som prøver å bygge sitt eget fly. Han har en drøm om å fly sitt eget fly. Han har nå bygget 14 fly.
Ja, og vi synes jo bare dette er utrolig gøy og charmerende prosjekt, som vi har lyst til å snakke litt med Bjørn om senere kanskje. Men dere først kan dere få se et lite sammendrag av nyhetssakene som er laget om Gabriel.
Here's a story of one man whose dream of making a plane has burned in him since childhood.
Gabriel Nderito is an IT specialist with a passion for the aviation industry. Since he was a child, he dreamt of one thing, building his own aircraft.
As I said, it's a boyhood dream, and it's been on my case.
Wow, what a talented man.
To get it out, whether it works or not. To get out of my mind, then I can do something else.
On several occasions, he assembled his dream machines,
wow,
but always hit a hitch along the way.
Diverted from the runway and collapsed once again.
This is his 11th prototype. The engine is improvised.
Preliminary
oh my
trial did
goodness,
go as
man.
planned, as the plane crashed seconds after takeoff.
I'll go back to the drawing board and design the landing gear better.
Bro, just the fact that he made it, it's insane.
For a few glorious seconds, Upendo is airborne, and then it crashes to the ground.
Wow.
Another dream dashed.
Somebody somewhere else in Kenya will probably complete this work, and he will not start where I started.
He dreams of the day when his dreams shall take flight, but this may take a while yet.
Bro, this is incredible.
Det er gutten sin.
Det er gutten sin. Fin fyr.
Man får jo bare lyst til å ta med seg verktøyskrin og ta seg en sånn god ferie og hjelpe han å bygge litt. Ja,
absolutt.
Samme her. Bare sette seg på første båt til Nairobi og bare henge litt med Gabriel opp.
Ja, men vi har fulgt Gabriel lenge, og vi gleder oss til å spørre Bjørn Kjos om han egentlig vet hva Gabriel kanskje gjør feil. Hva som er liksom den store akilleshælen. Men nok om det. Nå skal vi også at Bjørn Kjos kommer senere i programmet.
Okay, so this is the first video, and they were just reporting on it. They didn't have any plans for that. Okay, let's take a look at the story. Number 2, video number 2 is a plane for Gabriel. Let's see. They made a music video. So they're actually gonna help him. Let's take a look.
From his compound in Kahawa West, Gabriel Nderito has assembled an aircraft from scratch and is now polishing it for a test run in Kitengela next week.
No way they made an...
Gabriel Ndoto Ndoto kubwa lakini injini ni ndogo.
No way.
Down in Kenya, a boy once had a vision, a dream to soar the mighty skies. People laughed at him, you will never make it. It's just a fantasy.
Bro, they made like an African song. I can't believe it.
He tried and tried and tried and tried. And when he tested plane 14, it looked very promising until it didn't look promising at all. All he needs is just a little help from his friends around the world. Gabriel, you're a true aviator. Sooner or later, you'll be king of the sky.
Bro, Ylvis is surprising me every video.
Never give up your dream, we'll give you the wings to fly.
What more can we do to help Gabriel? You know, we need help from someone who loves flying and just knows everything about airplanes.
Tom Cruise?
That's the guy.
This is Open Shoes from Ringerike, a legendary aviator man.
I'm the founder of Norwegian. Norwegian is a company.
Wow, the founder of Norwegian.
Aircraft. We have bases in Bangkok.
We don't care about your airline.
We don't care about your airline.
I think it needs a bigger engine, at least 100 horsepower.
Oh wow.
Something like Rotax 914 or similar.
That's enough, old man.
That's enough, old man. How did they convince the founder of Norwegian to do this?
Rotax 914, the horsepower king. Gabriel, we hope you are ready, that your airplane is steady when you leave the ground.
Ylvis, man. Oh wow. No way they did this, bro.
I'm gonna help my brother. Gabriel,
This brings a smile to my face. Wow. No way Ylvis did this, bro. Guys, no way they did this. They made a song. My goodness, man. Wow. That is absolutely... They made a song in Swahili, which is one of the languages I learned. I don't know if you guys know this, but I grew up in Africa. For at least 13 years of my life, I was living in the south of Africa. Not only South Africa, but south. Many countries in there. Lesotho. I've said this before in other videos. If you want, let me know in the comments. So I've learned a little bit of Swahili also. And they made a song in Swahili. But I forgot everything in Swahili. I know more Sesotho and Zulu. So yeah, sorry about the Swahili. In any case, that's not important. It's not about me. I can't believe they did this. They made a song in Swahili, and they're helping this guy out, Gabriel. It's absolutely crazy if you think about it. Honestly, wow. Okay. Third video is calling Gabriel on Skype. I can't believe this. And you know, it's so close to my heart, because as someone who grew up in the continent, I really love anything that talks about Africa. Wow, can't believe this, man. So Ylvis is I'm liking them and being more surprised every video.
Hjertelig velkommen tilbake til del 2. Masse spennende skjedd, men masse mer spennende skal skje. Og Vegard, du har gode nyheter?
Ja, det har jeg. Faktisk så gode nyheter at jeg vil ha en liten trommevirvel. Ok, gjerne litt bass også. Egentlig kan man slenge på både gitar og piano hvis dere vil. Så blir det en slags... Vet du hva? Det blir litt mye. Vi driter i det, vi tar bare trommevirvel. Og litt bass. Litt bass. Kan vi prøve uten trommer, bare bass? Bare bassvirvel? Nei, det blir kjedelig. Vet du hva? Vi tar vanlig trommevirvel. Ja, vi gjør det. Ok. Mine damer og herrer, vi har fått inn nok penger til ny motor til Gabriel!
Okay. I hope we get to see the plane fly, though.
Ja, fantastisk! Ja, ikke du som skal booke. Det er bare å takke publikummet vårt her og hjemme, og folk har sendt sms'er og PayPal, donations og videoer, og Gud hjelpe meg. Dere har stått på. For et publikum vi har.
For et publikum.
Amazing. You guys are awesome, the ones who helped.
Publikum, gutter, jeg har en ekstra glad nyhet oppå den gode nyheten. Og såpass glad ekstra nyhet at jeg trenger en trombonevirvel.
Trombone.
Ja. TV Norge, vår kanal. De har åpnet lommeboken og spanderer flysertifikat på Gabriel!
Wow. A pilot certificate. That trombone roll sounded like someone farting, by the way.
Det er veldig bra. Og fantastisk er det, og det er sånn at vi vil jo da ringe og få tak i Gabriel, som visste jeg ikke var så lett som vi hadde tenkt. Vi har prøvd, og vi har funnet et brukernavn på Skype, og vi ringte han, og det var vel 14 forsøk før vi fikk napp, og i det hele tatt var den samtalen ganske hakkete på grunn av dekningen. Men til slutt så fikk vi altså kontakt og filmet det, så her er vår lille samtale med Gabriel.
Let's see.
I don't know if you know it, but you know, we have been fans of your project for a long time, and we have made a video to raise money for an engine, and the video is very popular, and people are giving money. They want to help you with your project.
That is very good news.
We also have another nice surprise. The network, TV Norge, want to give you a license, a PPL license.
That would be wonderful.
Yeah.
That would be wonderful. Tell them thanks are up to them.
I will. We will bring it on.
Appreciate it.
Yeah. Do you
Such
think
a serious
Gabriel will
man.
fly?
I think so. I have. If I didn't believe that from the beginning, I would have stopped long time ago. Even if I may not be able to say it to each one of you, take it that I'm very, very, very grateful, and we'll keep in touch moving forward.
Oh, that's awesome. Please tell me that the plane flew.
Han er en lugn type.
Han er jo lugn.
Lugn, men glad. Han var veldig glad.
Han var veldig glad. Det blir jo kjekt å følge med på. Nå er det jo siste programmet, så jeg tror ikke han rekker å bygge et fly i løpet av den lille halvtimen vi har igjen. Men vi skal jo følge med han, og håper jo inderlig at han kommer seg i luften. I alle fall etter flyene hans.
Ja.
Oh, come on! No. There's no more... What happened? I need to know closures. Let me see. Gabriel from Kenya airplane. Let's see if he managed to do it. Come on, man. Come on. Did he get it? Did he not get it? Okay, where is he? I need more information. Where is he? Did he manage to fly the plane? What happened? Gabriel Indirito. Let's see, 2024. What happened to him? I don't know. Did he manage? Did he not manage? I need some closure now. I need some closure. There's no new news about him. Oh man, Ylvis should go back and see how he's doing. Did he manage? What happened? Oh man. Okay, let me know if you guys know anything. I can't do the research right now because you guys are watching me, but I haven't found anything yet. I found him on Instagram, I think. But I don't think there's anything about him flying. No, I didn't find his Instagram. Anyways, oh man, I need closure. Don't do this to me. Come on. Okay, don't forget to like, subscribe, request the video. Thank you so much for sending me this video, Julie. You guys can also do like Julie did and request a video. Link is in the description or the pinned comment. Thank you so much, guys. And I saw some people saying that, oh, I'm afraid to ask too much Ylvis. Bro, there's no such thing. Keep suggesting and requesting Ylvis. In fact, the more you request, the more it supports here at the channel. So I am very thankful for your support. And I love Ylvis as well. So yeah, keep supporting. And don't worry about sending too much or commenting too much. There's nothing, you know, the more comments and the more requests, it actually helps the channel a lot. So keep commenting, keep spamming if you want, but you know, don't call it that. In any case, guys, thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye. Now you can get full access to exclusive content, special reactions to shows, series, anime, full movies, and even request a video of your choice. Just become a YouTube member or join Buy Me a Coffee today. Find out more. The link is in the description.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game.